So here's how to link page in Blogger. First of all, open up your web browser and search for Blogger. Then from the results page, you need to click on the first link, which is for blogger.com. So once you're in the Blogger website, you need to sign up or log in to your existing account. So click on Sign In on the top right corner. So as you can see, we're already logged in to our account. After that, in order to link a page, what you need to do is select a blog post. After selecting the blog post, you will be able to see a lot of options right here to customize your blog. So from the options, click on Insert Link. Once you click on this section, you will get to see an option to insert the link to the page. So here, just paste in the address and customize the options according to your preference. And once you're done, all you need to do is click on OK, and your page link will be added in Blogger. So that is exactly how to link page in Blogger.